My boy.
Got
He
enough
has
tools over
arrived.
there.
What's up?
You got enough tools?
Yeah, I think so. So this is where we are right now. So I can get the inner fender out. You are saying to remove this boost completely with the clip remover, which I have here.
You gotta move this clip back,
Uh-huh.
and then you gotta get in there
Somehow.
with the screwdriver and kind of pry it, because you're gonna most likely reuse that clamp.
Gotcha.
But first thing you wanna do is turn the wheel to the right.
So after it's turned all the way right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll remove this clamp. I'm gonna pry that clamp off.
Yeah.
And then what's gonna happen here?
That's a pinch clamp, so you want a long screwdriver.
Gotcha.
Kind of just wiggle it around.
Pry it basically out.
'Cause you're gonna reuse that clamp, and then you slide this whole boot off towards you.
Okay.
It'll come off.
Okay, then it comes off, and then what's next? You said, do you
well,
use a gas pipe wrench?
Yeah. So
Well-
you're gonna have access to the actual. Where's your new part? You're gonna have access to this ball right here. They have special tools to get in there like this. But what I do is I just take a pipe wrench. You know.
And it's just like
That's it.
regular righty, tighty, lefty, loose.
Yeah. So you want to go like this, and then I usually just tap it with a hammer like that. And then once you get it loose, it comes out by hand.
That's simple enough, man. It should be fairly simple.
It's very simple. The hardest part is going to be putting that clamp back on because it's weighing there. And if you don't have a special tool to pinch it.
I actually do. I have it. It just came in.
Yeah.
So I will use the tool because I have actually the whole set. I just don't know if I have that size.
Worst case, just put a zip tie on.
Oh, come on, man.
No one's going to know.
It's on. Went on really smoothly. The axle popped in really smoothly. This is where we are right now. Put that bolt on the bottom. And tighten in the control arm. And then we're gonna go in with the strut. But before we do any tightening, let's go ahead and install the strut. All good to go. Bought the car on Wednesday. Finally, this is Saturday. I finally got it on the wheel. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. And I will see you guys next time.